No, that is not good advice. Watch this. This is how you do junctions when it's a give way, alright? Approach it, lean forwards, have a look, there's nothing coming. Let's continue. There's nothing to give way to, so why would you stop? Alright? Sun's in my eyes. I'll give it that, that's it. So let's look at this junction, okay? We go slow, up to it. Let's take our time. It's a bit of a closed junction on approach, but when you get there, it does open up. Slow, we'll lean forwards. Left is all right. It's clear to the right. Another double check. We haven't come to a stop, and we keep moving. You want to develop all of your drive wherever you're going, so you hopefully don't stop. Alright, now look at this. We've given him time to get to there. Alright, it's a bit busy here because of the football. Let's go slow. Let's give everyone time to get into the position. She probably could have gone a bit further into that, but she's done alright there. So you don't want to approach give-way junctions.
Okay.
Just then to come to a stop and then look. Where you've made that comment, the learner has approached that junction and stopped because she hasn't looked right early enough. Okay? So once you get to that junction, it's very open on approach. You've just got fields to the left and right with hedges, and then it opens up across the grass. If you look right early enough, you'll see that there's nothing coming. Check to the left to make sure it's safe. Why stop? Why stop for nothing? That's what you're doing. That's what you're encouraging in this, with this comment. Let's look at this one. All right, close to the left. Slow on approach. All right, look at that. It's safe to the right now. All right, double check the left hand side. There's something coming. All right, so I've had to stop. I can't go. But if there was nothing coming from both ways, I wouldn't have stopped then. I would have just carried on. So if you need to stop, you stop, but you need to be looking early, especially if it's an open junction. If the person behind you is looking early, they're probably going to anticipate that you might not stop, because what would you stop for? There's nothing coming. But then next minute you've stopped, what's going to happen? They could potentially go into the back here. So I hope that helps. You don't just come up and stop. You need to look and decide and act on what you can see.